Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable email notifications in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And then at the notification section, click on the email notifications button. And next to the enable email notifications section, just click on the white circle. And as you can see, once you enabled it, you can disable or enable different topics to receive email notifications on, like new feedbacks or new messages. And at the bottom of the page you can even set a daily limit for each notification type, so you can manage that as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.